Good morning from Lymington. My name's Tim Carbury from Berthon, and I'd like to welcome you on board our 2014 Discovery 57 JUNO. JUNO is actually the last of the Discovery 57s to be launched, and she has had the same owner since new. She's provided a truly wonderful, safe and comfortable platform for her owners, and they've enjoyed her both in Northern Europe, the Mediterranean, transatlantic crossings across to the Caribbean and up the east coast of the US. In this short introduction you see her maximising the Solent rig, whether under full main and staysail or full main and genoa. She truly is a wonderfully mannered sailing yacht who offers her owners performance, comfort and total security. JUNO was built to an extremely high specification, and she exceeds CE standard for Category A ocean. So here is JUNO on the pontoon at Berthon here in Lymington, looking absolutely stunning with her flag blue topsides. The 57 really does offer a huge amount of volume for her length. And as you can see, a lovely, lovely aft deck. And these super strong, large stainless steel davits that house a 20 horsepower ribeye tender. Let's take a look on board this really wonderful, short-handed capable family cruising yacht. Despite the fact the owners have really enjoyed this boat and used her and logged thousands and thousands of miles, you can see that she's in fantastic condition. Here's her Delta anchor, which has 100 metres of 12mm chain, and her twin Reckman furlers. Looking aft, you just see a wonderfully clean, spacious deck. Her suit of sails are all Kemp and in lovely condition. You can just see the twin whisker poles that are mounted on the mast. Have some solar there on the coach roof. Wonderfully large windows, offering wonderful light inside. All control lines led aft, making sailing a real joy and extremely stress-free. As you can see, there are port and starboard boarding gates there. All the canvas works in excellent condition. The lovely G&T seats there, which is a great place to enjoy the sailing. Wonderful access to the water off the aft there. And a complete clutter-free access to the cockpit. She's equipped with full Marine electronics, controls on both port and starboard helm stations. There's wonderful visibility from these helm stations forward. You've got quite a nice elevated position from which to helm and see exactly what's going on when manoeuvring. And here's a view of this really spacious and sociable cockpit. As you can see, cockpit upholstery is in fantastic condition. Cockpit table there is in teak and untreated. And there you see some of the control lines leading aft. Let's take a look inside. JUNO has a 4-berth in 4-cabin configuration. Like with all Discoveries, you have this beautifully raised nav station. This gives fantastic visibility when either at anchor or underway in poor conditions. You can see here great visibility forward, great visibility off to starboard and to port. Her interior is in oak, with wenge on the internal doors and oak banding with ebony and burr ash centres. I just love the raised saloons on these boats. And a lovely touch there on the nav station. Windows are in great shape, blinds are in great shape. This boat really has been beautifully looked after. Now we'll head aft down into the galley. Really safe galley, really nice when underway. Very easy to wedge yourself in there, making sure you don't go flying with pots and pans and hot water. There we have the Panasonic microwave. It's the oven there with gas hobs and also triple sinks. Looking straight ahead, that's the freezer. Immaculate. And then a really lovely large standing fridge, again in beautiful condition. Let's go aft into the owner's stateroom. immediately you're hit by the light. Beautiful natural light in the boat. The windows and the hulls really help this, and also those windows looking aft. Very large double bed, beautiful joinery. Like everything on this boat, she's in really very nice condition. Here we go into the heads. As you'd expect with a boat of this quality, really nicely fitted out. Heated towel rail there, nice large shower. And really great access to the galley. As we come forward here, we go into the other guest areas. On the starboard side here, we have another very nice heads. Beautifully finished, nice Corian worktops. Heated towel rail. And on the port side, we have the Pullman cabin. As you can see, the use of different woods is just a real joy. And then forward into the VIP, this is a lovely four-peak cabin, a large central double berth, good storage port and starboard. Again, lovely light throughout. And then back to midships here and up into the raised saloon. This is a stunning area on the 57, extremely useful. Laundry there, lovely space for hanging wet weather gear, boots, additional storage for dry goods, clothing, spares, and access into the engine space. As you can see, this engine space is immaculate, beautifully maintained. The engine you see is a Yanmar 6BY3 160S, which is serviced annually, and you have the Onan generator there, which again is serviced annually. For an owner-operated boat that's done as many miles as this has, it really is mind-boggling how good she is. Extremely well laid out, very easily maintained, everything you'd expect from Discovery. So there you have it. That's Juno, our Discovery 57. If you would like more information on her, please do visit our website. Thank you for watching.